Day 14, folks. We're gonna make this real. Okay, so you want to do some stretching there, fella? Overall length of the bike, it shrunk by 3 inches. We only use the best at KTM here. Yeah, fuel's cheap nowadays. So that right there was about $385. All right, so really get a feel for this bike today, all right? I know you're coming off a big W last week, but you know, you can't be cocky either, so maintaining your momentum going into the next race. That's all it's about. You really got to work on a couple things in the front section here, so it's starting to bother me. Pretend you're a bird, right? Just fly right over it, buddy. Can be a seagull, can be an eagle, can be a California quail. Well, you know what? The only time you got to watch my board if you're doing something wrong, and that's a lot. Started from nothing, now I'm here, buddy. All right? You and Drake. You know, I'm looking for another guy, so I see you're on a Honda, but if you want to join the orange team, let me know. I can hook you up with my card. I want you to hose all these kids, man. So just play it natural. Doesn't have to be anything spectacular. Well, we got these little insects roaming around everywhere, so I don't know if that's the best idea right now. You just might flatten one of them. Wham!
Still on red. Do you want me to just practice corners for now?
What does red mean?
Oh.
No, wait. I was like, what's taking you so long? Quit being a wimp and get out there. Do I get a ride on the back?
Of course.
You gotta respect the dirt, but you gotta fight it as well. Oh, we got a crash. You were keeping to the outside. Ryan Dungey, watch out. Pass him, pass him. I don't care if he's 3 years old or 85, you pass him. The kid's got talent, he just needs more heart. I literally have to remind him that he's not Stephen Hawking out there, he's a motocross rider. He's looking at me, don't look at me, look at the dirt. Yeah. Nice work out there. Almighty Mia. Here we go, here we go. Oh, there we go. So we're gonna work on that. Take this line literally right here. Dead on, dead center. Yeah. Yes! Oh, that's a good feeling. Yeah. He's scaring me out there, holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna go live here. Hey buddy, can you hear me? So you're going a little bit too big out there. I know we got a big race coming up, I know you're excited, but I don't need you to get hurt. And if we're gonna get that W, you know, please play it safe. How's your bike feel running? Okay, yeah? Okay, we'll just come over to the pit here and we're gonna have a quick chat. I'm gonna start calling you a man instead of a boy I thought you were. Next step here, now that you got these pretty much dialed, the one thing I wanted to mention, just a little bit more whiskey on that throttle. You're getting into that rhythm. It's all about finding that rhythm, right? Wham, wham, done, right? So hit that a little bit harder, third gear tap, I think we'll be just fine. Ride like the Supercross main event camera is on you all the time. Because in 78 days, it's gonna be. And I wanna see you literally hop over Eli Tomac's head. Oh, yes! Apparently he's not sweating enough. He didn't take my towel. Guess he's not working hard enough. Strike 2 today. We're gonna have to talk to Roger DeCoster about that one, I think. Little fun fact, my best lap time in California is 0.25. Everybody's got their place. He's definitely got his, and I think it's on top of mine, so we'll see what he does. Oh. Tap the back brake. I cannot stress that enough. One of the things that really ticks me off with a lot of junior and even pro riders nowadays is the fact that they don't know how to tap their back brake. That's like saying to a WestJet pilot, I don't know how to fly an airplane. Here, take the controls. Amateurs. Oh my God, amateurs. Nice work. Starting to get it. Hot damn. Apparently they have a couple hedgehogs living in that goalpost over there, so I see why he's got some complications. I'm gonna need some Hubba Bubba. Gotta cut some seconds off time there.
Might make it to California, eh?
We're getting there. We're getting there. Loretta Lynn's qualifiers in about a month and a half, so I want to get you ready for that. Like I remember the first day going over this, you look like a sack of potatoes, right? Now that sack's rolling, right? So I mean, you turn that sack of potatoes into French fries is what you did. You were keeping to the outside, he was keeping to the inside. So I think when you go on the inside, it gives you a little bit more downforce torque. So really try and just crank that soldier boy on the front side over there. Oh God, baby. Not right there. All right, here we go. He's got talent, he's just on the wrong bike. Yeah, keep that line, keep that line. Yeah. It's a little bit crumbly, which is probably why we're dealing with a couple second place finishers right now. I'm going to talk to the track rep and see what I can do here to eliminate some of these problems. The moisture content just isn't there. They don't have the same, dirt and sand in California that they do here, so hopefully we can work on that. All right, here we go. One thing I noticed out there is you're leaving your tear strips on the ground, so I want you to pick these up at the end of the day. I mean, just do your part to save the turtles. Body control, body movement, and detoxing before the race. His guts were telling me a little bit otherwise this morning on the drive out here, so. Oh. Not bad, kiddo. Not too bad at all. No more nose taking. He ain't listening to anything I said anyway, so we're gonna see all about that. Have a little chat with him in a minute here. Hey, Mike. Jeez, he's gonna get a good whipping here pretty quick. You gotta work on your ticker, man. Your ticker's lacking. I mean, I work with doctors. We can get you a pacemaker if you need to, right?
You gotta fix this bike.
What's going on? Hold on here. It could be your, I'll talk to Mike the mechanic here, 1 second. Yeah, Mike, we need a mechanic here right down the way. One of the bikes is starting to act up on us, and one of my riders got a race next weekend, so we gotta get that dialed in. Yeah, you're good to go, buddy. He's going to the big leagues. My boy's going to the big leagues. I can't handle this. Let's make it happen. Okay? Get out there and have some fun. All right.